Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you know that last year I have not been very active on social media, especially on YouTube. So this year I have decided that I'm going to put a lot of videos for you guys. And if you guys want to stay connected, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. So yeah, without wasting any more time, so before starting this video, I just want to say that I'm going to link all the products that I'll be using in the description box below. So if you have any confusion regarding the products, you can check in the description box. So I only have 10 minutes and I have to get ready for a day out. So first of all, I'm going to apply moisturizer on my face. Then I am going to use this primer, which is from Lakme. So now that I'm done using my primer and moisturizer, I am going to use a little bit of concealer, especially on my under eyes. Now I'm using this foundation from FitMe. So as you can see that I'm done applying my foundation. I'm quickly going to settle this up using compact powder. So as it's a day look, I am not going to apply a lot of eyeshadow, or I'm not going to do a smoky eye. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. I'm using this palette from LA Colors. So as it's a day look, I'm not going to apply highlighter or not going to do a smoky eye. Rather, I will use this palette from Makeup Revolution. Now I'm going to apply this WD Kohl Plus eyeliner from House of Makeup. So I'm going to use this purple shade on the lower eye. Now I'm quickly going to put some mascara. It's from Ritual. Make a huge difference to your eyes. It's by far my favorite product. So yeah, I'm almost done with my makeup. Last thing that I'm going to apply is this lipstick, which is my favorite. It's from Maybelline again. So yeah, I'm almost done with my look. I love this look. Let me know in the comment section below how do you find this look. So my next video will be coming very soon and I'm going to update about it. Till then,